In this video, you'll learn to design quick floor plans and evaluate your unit mix in Forma Building Design. From the Map Tools menu, select Floor Plan. When you hover over the building, you'll notice that selectable floors are highlighted in groups. Select a floor group to enter floor plan view. Use the north arrow to adjust the camera direction. Select Align Direction to Line, then click the elevation you want to align the view to. Navigate to Building View, you'll see that the selected floor group is highlighted. This means that the floor plan you design here will be applied to all identical floors in this group. You can click on a different floor group to open and edit its corresponding floor plan. Now use the Wall tool from the toolbar to start designing your layout. You can adjust the wall type and alignment from the Wall Properties panel. When you select a wall, you can adjust its distance from other elements by double-clicking the hosted dimension and entering the desired value. Carry on to sketch your typical residential floor plan, including a core, corridor, and fire staircases. The Align tool can sometimes speed up your process. First, select the wall that has the correct position, then click the wall you want to align. The Trim and Extend tool lets you extend a wall to meet another one. First select the destination wall, then select the wall you want to extend. The trimming option of this tool works by selecting the trimming wall, then clicking the portion of the wall you want to keep. After designing your floor plan, open the selection filter and set it to units. Select all units in your plan and assign them a unit type. Since this is a residential building, tag these spaces as living units, then individually select the core and staircases and tag them as core. And finally, tag the corridor. Return to 3D view, then click Exploded View in the Map Tools menu. As you can see, the floor plan you designed has been applied to all identical floors in the selected floor group. Next, go to the Analysis panel and under Metrics, open the Units tab. Expand Distribution by Type to see the ratio of living units compared to cores and corridors in your building. Then expand Unit Mix to view the distribution of unit sizes. This allows you to evaluate the proportion of different unit sizes in your building. In this example, units between 400 and 650 square feet make up 12% of the building. If you want to increase that share, return to Floor Plan View and adjust the layout. Keep the unit mix open and selected to see the distribution update as you modify the floor plan. For example, adding a wall and moving another one increases the percentage of this unit range to 29.4%. Now that you know the basics of floor plan design, the next step is to explore facade expressions.